Hi everyone! Today we're going to talk about a technique that will change your life, the Pomodoro method. Improving your productivity can change your life. So stick with me and find out how this little tomato will revolutionize the way you work. The Pomodoro method, what is it? The Pomodoro method was created by Francesco Cirillo in the 1980s. The principle is simple. We divide our work time into 25-minute sessions, called Pomodoros, interspersed with short breaks. And guess what? This method is named after a tomato-shaped timer, hence the name, Pomodoro. How to apply the Pomodoro method? Each time the facilitator mentions a step, have a number and a short description of the step appear next to the task list and stopwatch. Here's how to apply the Pomodoro method in 5 simple steps. Choose a task to complete. Set a timer for 25 minutes and start working. When the timer rings, stop and take a 5-minute break. Repeat steps 1 to 3 more times. After the 4th Pomodoro, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. That's it. You'll see, by applying this method, you'll be more focused and productive. The benefits of the Pomodoro method. Facilitator. The Pomodoro method has many benefits, including time management. By focusing on 25-minute sessions, you learn to better estimate the time needed to complete a task. Fatigue reduction. By taking regular breaks, you avoid mental exhaustion. Fighting procrastination. By setting short, attainable goals, you will be more likely to get to work. Conclusion. So, convinced? Try the Pomodoro method and tell me in comments how it changed your productivity. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more tips to boost your daily life. See you soon!